traders, welcome back to Curious Combo Trading. You already know we keep it simple here, strategic and stacked with real-time insights. And today I'm going to break down my long trades on the DAX from Monday, February 17th, using my key levels on both the 1 hour and 15-minute time frames. The market gave us some clean setups, and I'm about to show you exactly how I caught them. But first, a healthy disclaimer. This is not a financial advice, and I'm just sharing my thought and process and the strategy. You always do your own research and trade responsibly. And that being said, let's get into it. Okay, so what was happening exactly on the market yesterday on Monday? The European stocks were on fire, literally. The Stoxx 600 hit another record high, closing in at 555 basis points. And the defense sector, absolute beast mode. Saab soared 16% and Rheinmetall pumped 14% and Renk Group surged over some 17%. And this is why? Because the European leaders were gathering up in Paris for urgent defense talks, signaling more military spending on the way. Now, if you mix that bullish sentiment with the ongoing geopolitical tension like the U.S. and Russia moving forward on Ukraine peace talks without Europe fully involved, and I would say that's a perfect storm of uncertainty boiling. Markets just love to price this stuff in, and DAX is no exception in this, definitely. And looking ahead to today, Tuesday, February 18th, we need to consider some ongoing developments. The European leaders are still in Paris facing concerns over President Trump's push for bilateral negotiations with Russia, which could leave Europe and Ukraine totally sidelined. Meanwhile, US and Russian officials are meeting in Riyadh to lay the groundwork for potential peace talks. This uncertainty could add some volatility to the markets, especially in the defense and energy sectors once again. Some key economic data releases and events today could impact the market movements. In US, the market is open again today. It's at 8:30 in the morning. New York time Empire State Manufacturing Survey is going to be released. And also 10 o'clock Home Builder Confidence Index is out. These reports and speeches that Fed Vice Chair for Supervision Michael Barr will be speaking, and San Francisco Fed President Daly will speak. So they could provide insight into economic conditions and future Fed policies, potentially influencing market sentiment and how it will play with DAX also. So zooming into the 1 hour chart here, we had some critical levels to watch. Friday's close set up a nice demand zone around 22,567 all the way to 22,573 points. A strong resistance from last week, but once the price started pushing towards it, I knew we were in for a breakout. See here what it looks like on the double stochastic. And to me, if the lower time frames align, that's when I move into 15-minute chart. And on the 15-minute chart, we had a nice price pulling back into the 1 hour key level here, this whole area, and this is what it looks like on the double stochastic indicators, being highly oversold territory. And this is my green light to start preparing for the open. It's 9 o'clock here yesterday morning, 9:15 as the pre-market opens. So my first long came when the price rejected the key level here. It was around 22,494, and both fast and slow stochastic crossed upwards exactly at 9:15. My stop was tight, 10:30. I was very careful around 10:15 when the bell rings in Europe, but then the price just kept on pushing forward for the first 2-3 hours. I locked in some partial profits here and moved stops to break even. The move was fueled with strong fundamentals, defense stocks, rallying bullish sentiment, but you always want to protect your capital first, of course. So the key takeaway for me is key levels combined with the double stochastic here. Strategy gave a very clear, I think, high probability entry. And having to keep in mind that the news and sentiment play a huge role in market movement. Always have to keep an eye on what's driving the price action. All right, I think that's a wrap for this morning. Let me know in the comments, did you catch any of these moves yesterday? And if you want more breakdowns like this, smash that like button and subscribe for more real-time trading insights. Until next time, trade smart and stay disciplined. Peace out.